Hello everyone, welcome to Artzone. Let's learn to draw a swan today. Draw a curved line and connect it with a sleeping line. Add a small curve for head and draw a double line. Add a curved line for body. Let's draw the wings now. Observe and follow the steps. Add few lines near the tail. Draw the second wing as shown here. Draw a beak, an eye and crown. Add a wavy line for water and lotus in the background. If you like this drawing, like, share and subscribe this channel. I have used pencil colors to color the picture. Pause the video and tick mark the colors. Do the outline with the sketch pen. Don't forget to watch our next video and thank you for watching.